Okay, this is section 5 of the syllabus, and we're going to start off with business efficiency. What to produce, I'm just eating an apple. What to produce, how to produce, and for whom to produce it for. Okay, we get some different types of efficiency here. We get additive efficiency, P equals MC, productive efficiency, bottom of the average total cost curve, dynamic efficiency over a period of time, and X efficiency, and all this leads to economic efficiency. We can also get an efficiency where we get marginal social benefit is equal to marginal social cost. Okay, static is at a given point in time. Dynamic efficiency, because it's research and development, must appear over a period of time. Okay, additive efficiency, where price is equal to marginal cost, but it's also where resources follow consumer demand. So if consumers demand something, then resources will move into that area. The society surplus is maximised when you add your consumer surplus and your producer surplus at that point. And it's maximised where P equals MC. That's where demand is equal to supply, or also social efficiency is where marginal social cost is equal to marginal social benefit. The price is the value that we place on the good, and the marginal cost is the cost of producing it. So that's why you get additive efficiency. Productive efficiency is at the bottom of the ATC curve, where you can exploit all of your economies of scale. Okay, so on here we have a monopoly diagram, and where MR equals MC, which is the point where you maximise your profits, there will always be a dead weight welfare loss, because in a more competitive market you would have the price at that point and at that output there. So if you move to MR equals MC, then you lose this area here. In fact, you lose this much consumer surplus and you lose this much producer surplus. So loss of consumer surplus, producer surplus, that is equal to a dead weight welfare loss, which is why you often see with the diagrams in the books that they call this bit here dead weight welfare loss. However, of course, we could also get dynamic efficiency in terms of a monopoly. However, with a monopoly, we will get additive inefficiency and also productive inefficiency, because we are not at those 2 points. So the key point to remember when you draw the diagram is with a monopoly, you are additively inefficient, you're also productively inefficient. You almost may have X inefficiency, because that may occur in a monopoly because there's a lack of competition, so there's a lack of product drive to in a sense, to improve what's going on. You will also make supernormal profits, and with those supernormal profits, you might be able to become dynamically efficient over a period of time. So X efficiency is all about minimizing costs and by keeping your costs to a minimum. Okay, pretty straightforward diagram. So if we go back to the point again, where static efficiency is concerned with the most efficient combination of resources at a given point in time. And that will include additive efficiency and productive efficiency and also X efficiency. Static efficiency contrasts with dynamic efficiency, which is over a given period of time. With better technology in research and development, therefore, we may get a point of dynamic efficiency. Now, if you to draw that on a monopoly diagram, what you may have is the ATC curve falling from there to here, and that is a diagram of dynamic efficiency. Please note, in perfect competition, you're at the bottom of the ATC curve, and you also produce where price is equal to marginal cost, which is at this point on here. So in perfect competition, you are additively and productively efficient. Okay. I think the key thing then is to remember what is static efficiency and also what is dynamic efficiency.